Hola todos. Welcome to this video. This video is gonna about the basic grammar in Spanish. This is a friendly video for all the beginners in which we are gonna cover the topics like nouns, articles, adjectives, demonstratives, possessives, question words, and some key verbs only. So let's begin with nouns only. Nouns which are also known as sustantivos in Spanish. These are the starting point of a Spanish sentence. In Spanish, every noun has a gender. It's either masculine or feminine. This is the core concept because it affects how other words in the sentence change. Most masculine nouns ends with O, like el libro. This means the book, and the most feminine nouns ends with A, like la casa, means the house. Although there are exceptions also, uh, but we can see them like by memorizing some of the parts, and like exceptions are everywhere. We can't avoid it. So to make nouns plural, we will add s in the words which are ending with vowel, like las casas, and es if it ends with consonant, like los cochos. Being aware of gender and plural forms will make everything else falls into its place. Like if you are choosing the right noun, everything would be get fall in place by itself only. Now, like move forward toward articles, which means in Spanish it means articulos. Articles are the small words before nouns, but they are mighty. They tell you whether something is definite or indefinite, and they must match the noun's gender and number. Definite articles are the word are known as la, el, la, los, las, depending on the gender and whether it's plural or singular. Like in the singular one, we will use L and La, and the plural one, we will use los and las. Similarly, in the masculine word, we will use L and las, L and los, and in the like feminine word, we will use las and los. Indefinite articles. Ra is known as una, unos, unas. Similarly, like the definite one, some are used for like your singular one and plural one. Some are used for a masculine one and plural one, which will give you like a complete four options: singular, feminine, singular, feminine, singular, masculine, plural, feminine, plural, masculine, like that only. You can see it and practice this more to like get comfortable with it. Now, if in Spanish, the you always learn articles with nouns because they go hand in hand. Learning noun and articles simultaneously will help you a lot. Okay, so now move forward towards adjectives, which are known as adjectivos. Adjectives gives colors and details to a sentence. Just like articles, they must agree with noun they describe in both gender and number. In Spanish, adjectives usually come after the noun. So you say casa bonita, not bonita casa, like that. They change endings to match, niño alto and niña alta, means tall boy and tall girl. We have changed the ending to match the sense of our word or phrase or sentence, like that. To make adjectives plurals, add s ending in a vowel, like casas bonitas, or es in the ending in a consonant, like libros intestaines. Practicing different nouns plus adjective combinations helps these rules become automatic. You need not to remember all the rules if you are practicing a lot with the combination of noun plus adjectives, like that. So like move forward, and we will now talk about demonstrative and possessives. These are two sets of words which help you to point the things and show ownerships, making your Spanish precise only. Demonstrative indicates distance from the speaker. From example, este, esta, estos, and estas means for this and these, which means in a closer sense. And the words like ese, essa, esos, and essas are in the are meant for that and those a bit further from your speaker. And the words like equal, equela, equilos, equilas means that which is in the far away. It means it is far away from the speaker. Like adjective demonstrates must agree with your noun, and your possessives show you who something belongs to. Like my, it means me or miss. Your means tu and tues, and like his, her, their means su and sues. And for our we will use nostro, nostras, nostros, nostras, like that. So that's all for like your demonstrative and possessive part. And like now we will move forward to our interrogatives. Interrogatives means what? Your question words. Asking question is a key in your conversation. Spanish has a set of interrogative words, almost all with your ancient marks, and it also uses your inverted question marks at the start, like que, like means que, quen, donde, quende, porque, como, like all that. These has different meanings. Like que stands for what, and like quen stands for who, donde for where, cuando for when, porque means for why, and como for how, like that only. So these are the special words you have to like memorize for your interrogative part in your conversation. Now we will move forward for ser versus estar. In English it means to be. This is one of the trickiest part in the Spanish grammar. It has two verbs for to be, that is ser and estar. The usage of ser is for identity, origin, time, occupation, and permanence. For example, yo soy estudiante. I am a student. Soy de India. India. It means I am from India. Ella es alta. It means she is tall. These are the like use case of ser. Now we will move forward to our estar. Estar is used for location, temporary states, feelings, and actions in progress. Example: estoy en casa. I am at home. Estoy cansado. I am tired. The useful memory aid for ser is doctor. Description, occupation, characteristic, time, origin, relationship, like that. And for estar, it is place, position, location, action, condition, emotion. This makes choosing the right verb easier. From this, you can like choose the right verb, and from right verb, you can choose right adjective and all that, and it's come to your sentence only, whole sentence. Now there is also one more core verb which is used as tener. Tener means to have or age. It basically have three use cases. First use cases, in the first use case it means like to have. For example, tengo un libro. I have a book, like that only. In the second case, it is used for age, like tengo tengo 20 años. Literally, I have 20 years, meaning I am 20. The third case, it is used for obligation with tenor que tengo que estudiar. It means I have to study. Mastering this tenure will let you express a wide range of everyday's idea. So like it is very essential if you have to hold the conversation and all. So like for the ninth part of our like video, we have regular verb conjunction. What does it mean? We in the Spanish we have three infinite endings: ar, er, and ir. Learning these regular endings let you conjugate thousands of verbs. For example, first one, hablar. Hablar means to speak, and it can change accordingly. Like you can change it to yo hablo, tu hables, él habla, él habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habléis, ellos hablan. All these, what it does it is keeping the same meaning, that is to speak, but according to the person, first person, second person, and third person, we are changing its last words. And this and how to change these word, how to change this last word is categorized into three parts, that is our ar, er, and ir. This is the example of ar. Now the example of one of the example of er is comer, that is to eat. We the example is yo como, tú comes, él come, nosotros comemos, vosotros coméis, and your like ellos comen, and all that. And for ir, we the one of the example is viver. Viver means to live. The example for this is yo viver, tú vives, él vive, nosotros vivemos, nosotros vosotros vives, ellos viven, and all that. If you like take 2 or 3 examples of each, you can see that this pattern is predictable. Once you know them, you can communicate a lot. So let's take a recap and the keynote for this video. First and the golden rule in Spanish is agreement. Noun, articles, and adjective must match in the gender and number. It should not be like that the adjective is like indicating something, noun is indicating something, not like that. And the second point is when you get comfortable with Ser, Esther, and Tener, you can like have a proper communication very precisely. Similar is the case with articles, demonstrative, and possessiveness. Your preciseness would be increased when you master it all. So with this fundamental, you are well on your way to like forming correct concepts and like natural Spanish sentences. So that's all from my side. Muchas gracias.